Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam Caniglione with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2025 Yamaha 252 SE. One of my favorite in all of the Yamaha lineup. You get a ton of features for this boat for an amazing price. Just starting on the rear swim deck here, what you can't see, there are spaces for 2 swim seats that you can sit at the sandbar with your friends and family while you're in the water. There's also room for a table in the back. Along with the table, you're going to get rear audio, as well as rear audio controls and a rear washdown. This is incredibly important when the kids or dogs or whomever are coming on board the boat to keep the boat clean as they're coming. We've got our rear cushions here so everybody is comfortable throughout the whole day. Now, as I come into the cockpit, we're going to see that this is an adjustable seat on both sides. So however you want this customized, if you want a rear lounger, you have a rear lounger, or if you want more space in the cockpit, you're going to have that. Now, under our shade here, plenty of shade. We also have a table that simply folds up, extra storage for all of those components. So no matter what you're doing, if you want to prepare some snacks for the kids, you've got plenty of space to do that. Now, as we approach here, our adjustable seat, so this is a more social environment. All of this just lifts up. Now everybody can talk to each other comfortably. We've got compartments and gadgets throughout this boat. When you come and take a look in person, I'll be happy to show all of those. But for now, I want to go over the important features. We've got our twin throttle, which are going to power your twin 1.9 liter high output Yamaha motors. This boat flies and is incredibly smooth on the water. We've got our 11.9 inch screen. Lots of features, lots of functions to be able to control and monitor your boat's functions. We have our cell phone charger and holder there as well. Again, lots of functions. I'm not going to go over all of them today, just some of those important features. Now in here, we've got plenty of space. Right now we've got some filler cushions, which we'll show you how those work, along with those pedestal seats for your swim platform in the back. Now up here, plenty of room for everybody. The tallest of folks can lounge here comfortably. Lots of space for everybody to sit while you're at the sandbar. And underneath me is your anchor locker. That's it for today. I appreciate your time. Again, my name is Adam. This is the 2025 Yamaha 252 SE. Come on down and see us. Thank you.